Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new food app. You don't have to open it, just download it. In my case, Chrome browser. Then choose Home button, choose Settings and scroll down. Now tap on Apps, choose Manage Apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. From here you need to select the food apps, tap on one of those options, in my case browser section over here, and simply click on desired app, in my case Chrome. Now when I go back, as you can see, the food app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!